I am John Michael Yagas from IT Tubig. Today I will demonstrate the correct use and care of free drafting tools as part of performance activity 3. This is a T-square. It is used to draw horizontal lines and serve as guide for triangles. I place the head of T-square firmly against the left edge of the drawing board. Then slide it up or down to straight horizontal lines. To take care of the T-square, I make sure not to drop it and store it flat to avoid bending. It's a triangle. It is used for drawing horizontal and angle lines. I place it against the square to ensure accuracy. When drawing straight lines, to maintain the triangle in good condition, I avoid separating it on rough surface and store it in a flat case. This is a compass. It is used to draw circles areas. I place the pointed tip on the paper and rotate the pencil arm to create a circle. To curve the compass, I keep the needle convert when not is used and store it in this case to prevent damage like this. This is my demonstration that I use T-square, compass, and triangle. Thank you for watching.